Hey everyone, and welcome back to Studio 5 Drone Productions. Today, we're diving into something every drone enthusiast needs to know: FAA guidelines and airspace rules. With drones becoming a hot holiday gift, both new and seasoned pilots must fly smart and safe. First up, let's talk airspace. Many property owners think they own the sky above their land, but in reality the FAA controls all navigable airspace to include over your house. Yes, you have some rights immediately above your property, but it's shared with the FAA to keep everyone safe. Remember, drones are classified as aircraft, so treating them as aircraft and following FAA rules are crucial. Now here's a big no-no. Shooting at drones will get you into serious trouble. It's a federal crime under Title 18 of the U.S. Code Section 32. Attempting to destroy an aircraft can land you in serious legal trouble, with fines up to hundreds of thousands of dollars and up to 20 years in prison. So no matter how frustrated you get, keep your firearms in check and away from drones. For you recreational pilots, here's what you need to do before takeoff first. Register your drone if it weighs more than 0.55 pounds. Most drones exceed this 250-gram rule, so check and make sure if you need to register your drone. Failure to register your drone can have civil penalties up to $27,500 and criminal penalties up to $250,000 and up to 3 years in jail. So, to avoid this dilemma, head to the FAA's drone zone to get it done online. Next, pass the trust test. Yes, this is required for recreational drone operators. It's a free online test that ensures you know the basics. When flying, keep these safety tips in mind. Stay at or below 400 feet in uncontrolled airspace. Keep your drone within visual line of sight. Avoid flying near other aircraft and never over groups of people, public events, or emergency response efforts. Always check airspace restrictions using the FAA's B4UFly app. Remember, stay calm and take the opportunity to educate anyone who confronts you about your drone, but don't put yourself in harm's way if they want to become violent. Just pack up and leave. Alright, that's a wrap. Studio 5 Drone Productions is all about safe and responsible drone operation. By following these guidelines, we can all enjoy our drones while keeping everyone safe and following the law. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's spread the word and keep our skies safe, so keep flying and stay safe.